Hello everyone, happy Tuesday challenge. And in this week's Tuesday challenge, I'm going to give you a tongue twister to double check your pronunciation with the TH sound, the, and also just to get you comfortable with the weak form of the word to. So the phrase I want you to say is further to this, further to this. For example, further to this, we're going to do plan B. Okay, further to this, it's not necessarily actually something that you'd use very frequently in English. You'd probably say further to the news or further to what happened or further to events. But this is a great example for a tongue twister and also being able to get the weak form of to in there as well. So here's what I want you to say. Practice it nice and slowly. Make sure that your two TH sounds are nice and strong, the, and also that you've then got the weak form of to. I want both of those things to be good, and then post the video, all right? Follow along nice and slowly now. Further to this, and also just listen, I'm doing an upward intonation there because I would then say something after this. Further to this, 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 further to this. And if you want, add your own ending to that phrase and then post the whole phrase in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing how you got on. Okay? Happy Tuesday challenge. It's a bit of a tongue twister this, but I know you can do it. Let's get to it. If you found this video useful, then you will absolutely love my How to Speak English Clearly pronunciation program. This is one tiny example of the kind of training that we do in the program that's designed to help non-native speakers like you to quickly and effectively discover correct pronunciation from easy to advanced, everything from difficult consonant combinations like we've just looked at here, to weak forms of words, stress, intonation, linking speech, everything you need to know to take your English from whatever level you are now, right up until the level where you're feeling confident, you're speaking clearly, and you feel like you've got the English at the level you need to reach your career goals in English. Okay, so check out the course, you'll absolutely love it. If you found this video useful, leave it a thumbs up and subscribe and turn notifications on so that you don't miss out on any of my other pronunciation tutorials that come out on a weekly basis. Thumbs up and head over right now to the How to Speak English Clearly course, where you're going to see exactly how the pronunciation course can help you to achieve your career goals and your confident goals in English. I'll see you over there in just a moment.